Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw Hamster Kombat money and sell Hamster Kombat tokens, right? So to withdraw the process I will show you. First of all, you have to just go and participate in airdrop. So ensure you participate in airdrop as it is essential for accessing your coins. You need to complete specific tasks like daily combos and mini games to qualify for airdrop. So once you are just going and playing the Hamster Combat, right, tapping over the Telegram, just make sure you complete the task on the listed on the crypto platforms. Now the second thing is that connect your wallet. As you can see here that Hamster Combat support different types of wallet, right? And here you can just go and connect your wallet. So before you withdraw, you need to connect a comparable crypto wallet such as Ton wallet to your Hamster Combat, which is the majority of user does it. And once you open it up, right, to your Hamster Combat, this is crucial for transferring your coins once they are available. Third thing is that waiting for listing. The withdrawal of coins is contingent on the official listing of Hamster Combat tokens or exchange, such like as a Binance, right, or OKX, KuCoin. As of now, the exact date for the listing is rumored to be September 30, which is by the end of this month. But this has not been officially confirmed. So in just few days or in few weeks, it will get confirmed. Once the tokens are listed and you have your coin in your wallet, you can withdraw them to your bank account. This typically involves sending your token to another wallet or directly withdrawing through the bank option available in your wallet, right? And of course, it is going to charge you some kind of gas fee, so you have to pay for it. So this is how you can just do this. And to sell it, you can easily sell it, find a marketplace. So right now there's no such marketplace where Hamster Combat is getting accepting, but after that, once it get launched, like once the token is listed, you can sell your Hamster Combat token on various cryptocurrency exchange for such as Binance, right, coin market, right, crypto market, right, and there's a lot of stuff. Now you have to follow the crypto exchange because, as you know, there's a different kind of to sell, right? There's a different option, but of course it's easier to do this and you can just sell it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.